I think the idea of baselessly here is just, you're pushing it with that, right? Like, the cameras are out. The guards fell asleep. The guy was on suicide watch and then pulled off of it so he could commit suicide. His cellmate was taken out of the cell just hours before this happened. The guards never checked into the fact that they were supposed to do that every 15 minutes. I mean, there's so many things. They didn't have the paper sheets they're supposed to have that tear away instead of, strangle somebody. So, I mean, how many things came together to allow him to commit suicide? It is suspicious. It is suspicious. Tonight, it's at least suspicious. Right? I mean, there's not a lot of conspiracy theories that I buy into. But we all have our, little pet theories, right? I feel like there's some, and this is why I think it's going to be a big one for a lot of people. I mean, up to half of America already that believe it. It is fast. They need to really thorough report and convince the American people if this was not something more than suicide. You really need to walk people through it, I think. Because it just doesn't seem possible. 34% believe this in August. So it's gone from 34 to 45 in only a couple of months. Only 16% believe he died by suicide. That's down from 33%. So it's cut in half. Wow. And really, the remainder is they're not sure. So 45, 16, 39% unsure. Wow. According to the poll. Dang, that's a high percentage of unsure, too. Yeah, well, look, none of us were there. Yeah. None of us have read the report beginning to end. I mean, obviously some media people have done it, but generally speaking, no one. It's one of those things that just doesn't make sense. I don't, my chosen conspiracy theory, my little pet one, which I turned out to be seemingly true, at least in a book that came out last year, was the whole John Roberts Obamacare. He changed his mind at the last second and rewrote it, and it was he was supposed to be on the side of the conservative argument and last minute switched. It does seem like that one was actually true. Now there's, the extension of that theory is that he did it for some illicit reason, like he was hiding some secret. I tend to think it was more of a situation where there was something about his daughter, right? I don't remember if that was it. Yeah, it was something where they're basically saying, he got blackmailed into changing it. I don't know if I believe that part of it, but I did believe that he changed it at the last second for some reason, and the reporting